Aloha! Well, I hope you enjoyed all of our videos about our trip to Hawaii and Disney's Aulani. We're going to put all the links to those videos in the notes below. But one of the things I wanted to show you was the shopping that they have there at Aulani and what our merch haul was for our trip. So let's take a look at some of these things. One of the things we got was this Olumel stuffy. This is something that my kid really wanted. Olumel is one of the Disney characters that is popular in Japan. I think he is a meet and greet type of character that you can see in Tokyo Disney. But anyway, this is Olumel, and he's there at Aulani. And there's a lot of merch there for him in Aulani. When you go visit the DVC desk, this is the Experience the Art of Olelo, which is the language of Hawaii. This is the little free book that they gave us. It was kind of an interactive activity. What you had to do was stop by the DVC desk every day of your trip, and they taught you a new word. So every day we got a different word, and at the end you got a little surprise for participating. We also went to the Disney Vacation Club welcome party or meetup party. It was pretty cool. One of the things we got was this magnet. Pretty cool Moana Aulani magnet. And something that we did off-site from Aulani, but another magnet, was we went to Kualoa Ranch, which is where they filmed a lot of movies and TV shows there on the island, including Jurassic Park and Jurassic World. But this is Kualoa Ranch magnet, and it's kind of two-sided, which was kind of cool. One of the days that my kid was in the kids club, Auntie's Beach House, he wanted me to show this to you guys. But one of the activities that they did was this little seashell, and they put little legs on it and eyeballs on it and kind of made it into a little crab. Anyway, I thought that was kind of cool. It was just something that they did for free in the kids club when he was there one day. He had a blast doing it. When we went to Pearl Harbor, my son was interacting with a park ranger, and they do this thing where they kind of do like a little swearing in, and you kind of become an honorary park ranger. Didn't cost anything. It was really nothing to it other than, just something to get the kids interested in what's going on there. And but anyway, he got this commemorative pin, and I thought that was kind of cool that they gave those away and that they did that. So one of the things that we also got at the DVC lounge were these Mickey-shaped Stay Magical DVC coasters. We got a set of 2, and we like them a lot. They're pretty cool. So in the gift shop, one of the things we got was this Menehune themed picture frame that has Aulani on it. My kid was really into the Menehune story that they have going on there at the hotel. So at the DVC welcome party, this was complimentary, but we got this lei. I left this tag on there, but it says DVC member. You can take that off. Anyway, this lei that we got for free when we went to the DVC welcome party meetup. So in the gift shop, they had a special. If you bought 3 Christmas ornaments, then I don't remember what the deal was, but you had to buy 3. Anyway, we got 3. So the first one is this Lilo and Stitch one. He's on a surfboard. Then we got this Mickey ears one. It says Aulani. And then the third one is my favorite, but it's got, see if I can get the tag off of this tree. So it's got the shape of Aulani's design in the background, and it's Mickey and Minnie on a beach. I like that a lot. So one of the things you can do, this is a paid activity, but it's do-it-yourself Mickey ears. Make your own Mickey ears. So this is the set that my son made. And then this is the set that my wife made. But check that out. If you go to Aulani, you can do this do-it-yourself or make your own Mickey ears. It's a nice little craft that they have available there. My wife did buy a sun shirt from the Lava Shop. I believe that's what it was called. The little shop that's in the pool area. But this Aulani sun shirt. It's got the Aulani logo on the front with some designs there down the side. And the design is actually Minnie Mouse on a surfboard. I don't know if you can see that too well. There you go. But it's Minnie Mouse on a surfboard. And then on the back, it's got Aulani and then a Disney resort and spa. Aulani, Hawaii. I also got this Aulani shirt. So on the front, it's got this design. It says Aloha, and it's Donald with a surfboard, and it says Aulani. Then it's actually the same design on the back, just bigger. But I really like this shirt. One of the souvenirs that we got at Kualoa Ranch was this t-shirt. It says Jurassic Valley. And then my son got this shirt. It also says Jurassic Valley, Kualoa Ranch. So one of the other things that we did is we bought this paddle. And this was a paid activity at Auntie's Beach House. But my son made this paddle. They kind of put these different stamps on it. It was just a craft that they did there. But what we decided to do was we had brought an autograph Sharpie with us. And when we saw characters around the hotel, we got them to autograph it. So those are some of the autographs that we've gotten. We got Chip and Dale, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, and Stitch. That's a fun little souvenir that my son has now from his trip to Hawaii. And then I wanted to show you the popcorn bucket. So they do have popcorn buckets there at Aulani. So on one side it says Aulani. On the other side it's got the characters with Aulani in the background. And then last but not least, this is the thing that my son was most excited about, but this is one of the Menehune statues that you can buy there at the gift shop. And like I said, he got really into the Menehune story that they have there throughout the hotel. If you go back to and watch the resort tour, you can learn more about that. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the merchandise that we picked up while we were in Hawaii. And if you do go to Aulani, you're going to have a great time. It's my favorite place that I've been to. I can't recommend it enough. Anyway, with that, I just wanted to remind everyone, please subscribe to the channel. I hope you really enjoyed it. If you did, hit the thumbs up and like the video. And check out brandontravels.com. And we're also on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And with that, I'll say see you real soon.